Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's Cipher Morse code, we just need to tap 3 times on "un" per tap, and now we can click on that. Our first character is G. Long, long, and short. Short, long. Long, long. Short, short, short. Long, short. Short, short. Gamify. You can say Gamify, Gamify. Anything it would be. So it's up to you how you pronounce it. So this is your today's Cipher Morse code. I will share in the comment section as well, so you can use that. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I will make videos on that too, or we will try to improve our videos. Thanks for watching this video.